What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry. Today we're outside in my small backyard garden where we're going to test an electric tiller and create another in-ground grow space. So hang out with your boy for a minute and check it out. We have this small space on the side of our house that I haven't been able to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So at one point I figured I'd put like a little storage shed or something over there, but the way my bank account's set up, I figured it'd be best just to go ahead and test out this electric tiller and put some plants over there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that area. So this is the space that I'm talking about. As you can see right here, it is overgrown or whatnot. But what I have done here is I put my extra seedlings in here to try to see what would grow, but I never worked the soil, fertilized it, or hardly even watered it. But I did put like a kale plant. This is an eggplant, collards, and that's it. The other stuff that I put in there pretty much failed. So I already had collected the seeds off of this kale plant, and there's still a few more seeds on this one that I'm gonna get. This is from the this is a collard. So that was the main thing that I went for. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this out, and then I'll till this up and we'll see if we can plant something over here. All right, so I have my space cleared out as good as it's gonna get. So I have this electric tiller. It's made by Yuryork. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it comes with. So the first thing out the box is the package. Comes with a 2-year warranty or 2-year extended warranty if you register it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and look at the instructions as well to kind of see how to set it up and whatnot. So let me go ahead and get everything out the box. This thing is pretty light. You see I can lift it up with one hand. This model here is a Yuryork model YE003. It's 120 volt and no load speed is 380 RPM. So that's not too bad. So let me go ahead and put this thing together so we can put it to use. It's starting to get hot out here. All right, so we have our York tiller put together. That was pretty simple. Let's take a look at it. Now, I do know that these blades right here are adjustable. I'll figure out how to do that later on. I'm not real concerned with it, but I believe I'm just gonna remove these bolts right here, and I can take one of them off, and it'll make it a smaller range. So keep in mind, not too long ago, I did rent a gas-powered tiller, so I still remember how it felt using that one. And right now, I'm going to use this electric, so it'll be a good comparison for me to have. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this thing up, and we'll see what it do. This is just a mixture of store-bought compost and some compost that I was making over here that hadn't fully broken down yet, but it still should be good. Alright, so we was able to unbox and see our York 120 volt electric tiller put to work. So compared to a gas powered tiller, I think the only problem that I had with this one is it seems that it was a little bit lighter, but I don't even know if that's a problem because it didn't seem to work me as hard, you know, without having to weight on it. So I was able to till up this nice little old spot right here, besides all the rocks and everything that was in this small little section, I think it handled it pretty well. So it gave me a good start on setting up another planting area on the side of my house that wasn't getting utilized properly. Overall, I believe it's worth having one of these, especially if you have a small backyard garden like I do, where you're doing some in-ground gardening, and if you don't mind dealing with the extension cord. So if you're interested in something like this, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description so you can check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help your boy grow. You know I appreciate that. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'll holler at you.